Welcome to section 2.1, inductive reasoning. And the first thing I'm going to say about this is that inductive reasoning is basically a huge basis for geometry and a lot of different mathematics after this. This is like the introduction to what it's like to prove something and to understand how to not prove something. So, in an argument, different things like that, you're using inductive reasoning all the time. So some essential things that I want you to understand is that patterns in some number sequences and some sequences of geometric figures can be used to discover relationships. Conjectures are not valid unless they are proven true. So a conjecture is basically like a statement. And then one counterexample can prove that a conjecture is false, and we'll dive deeper into all of that. First things first, visual patterns. Hopefully you can see this, that as you go, it's rotating. So it looks like it's rotating like this, and then it rotates like that. And so now if I get to this point, I should have these 4 blocks on this side, like that. And then I will have the 2 that stick out right here. So that would be number 4. And all it's doing is just continually rotating 90 degrees. If I wanted to go one more 90-degree rotation, I would end up back similar to number 1, actually exactly the same as number 1, where I've got the 4 and I have the 2 right here. So that would be 5, which is the same as 1.